So this is a pound yen analysis for Monday the 30th of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices, and we're pricing it like we go. So previously we saw price breakdown beyond this 146. We've come down towards this 145.50. Did appear to have held support in around 145.50 as we have in the not too distant past. And we do seem poised for a test of that 146 level here on the pound against the yen. So if we do successfully navigate the 146, if we do break and hold, looking for a move towards our 146.38. If we do see a continued bullish buy side momentum, bring us beyond 146.38, we'll see our price react towards our 147 and ultimately the 147.35. In around the 147, we do have the 400 period moving average. Thus, could see sell side momentum return to market from a potential dynamic level of resistance, but beyond there, possibly looking for a move up towards that 147.35 here on the pound against the yen. If however we do encounter major resistance around 146, we do see sell side momentum against 145.11. If we're not able to find support at 145.11, I'm looking for price down to the 144.78. Successful break from which I'd expect the far end of range to be in around that 144.36 here on July 30th. What we'll do now, we will have a look here at the monthly chart. So here on the monthly chart, we get scale line here correct. As we can see, we've had a sell-off, brief pullback, further sell-off. We've had another pullback, but we've rejected higher prices more recently. So we do have to be aware of that. And there remains a possibility that in the coming months, we may see further progression to the downside here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart. And over here on the weekly chart, we can see here that the market isn't really trending. We've gone into a bit of a range here on the pound against the yen. More recently, again, we did mention that we do have our highs, lower highs still, lower highs after that. So there remains a possibility of seeing further progression here to the downside from a weekly time frame perspective. We seem to have found support a couple of times in around the 144s and 143, so we do have to be aware of that going forward. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. And from the daily chart, if we do see further sell momentum, again we have this previous swing low, could potentially find support there. And beyond that, we're looking in around that 43.19, where again we could find support here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.